355 North 104th Street. We are sitting in the side sewer. Right now this is located 11 feet deep right near the edge of the parking lot here. And from here past this for another 15 feet, it's just nothing but rock. I could push in to show you, but it's just going to cover the screen in rock and dirt. So we're just going to pull back from here and make the recording from here back. Try and see anything that we didn't notice on the first time. So that's where the rock starts. And from there it continues down. Up here, you can see the erosion line down at the bottom of the pipe, but there's no rock standing or sitting in the pipe. One rock there, just a straggler, could be from aggregate. Another rock there. A little bit of rock sitting in here actually. This could be coming from a downspout potentially. There's one downspout out there, although it is sealed up. Could be coming from another break somewhere. It doesn't seem as nearly as large or significant as the one downstream. Although here it looks pretty troubling. There's got to be another section that's broken somewhere. We're getting into thicker rock here. So from 80 to 60 feet, there's rock standing on the ground too. And then after that, I don't see much anymore. Don't see where it's coming from either though. This part's really eroded. Turn here. This is where it leaves the building. Still in concrete, and then right here, I believe, next seam. Oh, maybe it's looks like a tie-in at the top there. Not sure what that is. All right, so it's from 90 to 14, 97 to 14. Yes, back in the cast. And there's our access point. I'm going to end it there.